Top 10 futuristic cars that will change the auto industry. The future is here. These 10 futuristic cars will blow your mind and completely change the auto industry forever. From self-driving AI to flying cars, you won't believe what's coming next. Stay till the end for the most insane car of them all, 10 Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. This car looks like it came straight from another planet. Inspired by Avatar, the Vision AVTR is controlled by touch and even reads your heartbeat. But wait till you see the car that can literally change color. 9 Tesla Cybertruck 2. Oh, you thought the first Cybertruck was wild? The next-gen model is rumored to have self-repairing body panels and solar charging. Elon Musk is taking things to a whole new level. 8 Klein Vision AirCar. This isn't a concept, it's real. The AirCar transforms from a sports car into a flying plane in just 2 minutes. Imagine skipping traffic forever. But that's nothing compared to Car 1. 7 Rolls-Royce 103X luxury taken to the next dimension. The 103X has a built-in AI butler, an automatic red carpet, and 0 buttons inside, just voice commands. This is like a Rolls-Royce from the year 3000. 6 Aptera Solar EV. This car never needs charging. It runs entirely on solar power and can go 1,000 miles on a single charge. Is this the end of gas and electric charging? 5 BMW Vision Dee. This car can change colors with a single touch. The Vision Dee uses e-ink to switch between 30 different shades. Plus, it has a holographic dashboard straight out of a sci-fi movie. 4 Rimac Nevera. The world's fastest EV. The Rimac Nevera goes from 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds. That's faster than an F1 car. But wait till you see the self-driving car at number 2. 3 DeLorean Alpha 5. The legendary DeLorean is back. The Alpha 5 is a futuristic EV with gull-wing doors and can go 300 miles per charge. It even has time travel vibes. But let's talk about a real game changer. 2 Tesla Robotaxi. No driver, no steering wheel, just AI controlling everything. Tesla's Robotaxi will make Uber's obsolete. Imagine cars that drive themselves 24/7 without a human inside. 1 The Apple Car. This is the most secretive project ever. The Apple Car is rumored to have no windows, full autonomy, and a mind-blowing AI system that adapts to your emotions. Will it take over the industry? Which one of these futuristic cars blew your mind? Comment below. And don't forget to hit that follow button for more insane car content.